Hi, in this video I show you how it works Miga BirthDay. This feature is sending out a push notification the day of birth of the customer, of the user of the app. You can link as a standard push notification any feature inside your app, for example a discount feature that is showing, for example, a coupon with a gift for the birthday. In this video I show you how we configure this feature. The first tab is the birthday push. This is the push that the app is sending out automatically the date of birth of the user. Here we can write happy birthday to you, a nice gift from our shop is waiting you. Click here below. Here we can enable as a standard push a link URL. You can add a link URL or link an internal feature, for example the discount. Here we can add a cover image for the push. Sorry, not this one. Let's choose another one. Happy birthday. Okay, this is the picture that we send out to the user, and we click save. After this we need to set the invitation push. What is happening when as you know the user in Siberian is not able to add the birthday, so this module is adding a front-end feature that is called Miga BirthDay, and the user should enter in this feature. We will see then in the app side how it works, the birthday. What is happening that when a user is enrolling, is registering inside the app, the system is checking every day all the users that didn't enter the birthday inside the birth date inside the future, and send out a push notification every week. So for 3 weeks after our user registration without any date of birth, there is an automatic push that is sending to the user that is studied to be the invitation to leave the date of birth. So here we can write this, for example, remember to fill your birth date. Our company will give you a nice gift for your birth date. Remember to fill your birth date inside the app. In this case we link this feature to Miga BirthDay, because inside Miga BirthDay there will be the field where it's possible to add the birth date. Here we can add the picture as usual, and this, for example, is a calendar, and then we click save. So by this way the system is automatically sending out one push notification every week to remember to fill the birthday to all the users that didn't fill the birthday. Inside the setting we can write the description inside the app in the Miga BirthDay feature. Here we have a standard description. For example, enter your date of birth. We will surprise you with a present for your birthday. Leave the notification on. You can leave this text as default or change it. Here we can put a cover page inside the feature, and also we can choose which is the date of birth field. We will see later that if we use the feature together with profiles feature, we can also use the date of birth of this other module that is not standard of Siberian, and so it's not default in Siberian. So not all all owners of a platform of Siberian have this module. So this is another extra feature here. Modified date of birth means if the user is able or not to modify the date of birth. If no, after the first one date entered, the only way to enter a new birthday is unlock this feature and allow the user to change the date of birth if it's wrong. Okay, if it's yes, the user can change anytime the date of birth. What I suggest is to write here in the description that the present will be you give the present only after the checking of an identity card. By this way you prevent frauds and you have all working fine. Here we see the Miga birthday feature. I'm logged in inside the app. It's necessary to be registered, and I click on Miga birthday. Here I can insert my date of birth by clicking the menu. Okay, so let's change the date. It's necessary to put a date more than 12 years. So let's say 2006, 7, okay, 2006, and this one, okay. And I click save. Alright, now the date of birth is set. The app will send me a push notification for my date of birth, and then this push notification will bring me, for example, in the birthday present discount, and I can use this offer. Date of birth module is compatible with the translation system of Siberian. You can go to translation, choose the language, Miga birthday, and here you have the label that you can change with your own translation. Miga birthday is also compatible with profile module. Profile module is available on the store of Siberian. The module is an optional module that allows you to add any kind of field during registration of a new user. As you see here, for example, there is the date of birth, this is in Italian, and I added also a number of phone, a mobile phone number. The type of the field that you should add as date of birth, of course, is a date type of field, okay, so this one. After you add this and make this mandatory, you are able automatically to choose inside Miga birthday if the system should use the internal date of birth field, that is Miga birthday, or the profile field. If you choose the profile field, profile feature, the system is loading already the field that you added inside the profile feature. It's sufficient to choose the date of birth field and then click save. From this date, from this moment, Miga birthday is checking the database of profile module and will send out push notification to the users according the date of birth saved inside the profile module.